People go, well, how do you make those big, tough decisions? And it's, once you scale the company, and all of a sudden, a decision you got to make as a CEO comes on your desk, just by the mere fact that it's on your desk means there's only a probability of success tied with that potential answer, because you would have good people working for you. If it was a no-brainer, they would have solved it. And a lot of people go, well, what's your process for doing it? Well, the first thing you do is you assemble a team of the best experts you can possibly find. The second thing is you make sure that it is diverse. So they look at it at every angle, that diversity of thought. And then the third thing you do is you focus them on the mission, suppress their egos, and watch them interact. And you get great clarity in terms of what the answer to that decision you got to make is, and probably with the highest probability, and allows you to sleep at night.